Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jehangir Jehan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminals underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 9. Kardi Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their five children despite countless sacrifices and hardships, while Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principle held the family together. Their children's selfish choices and betrayal led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onur takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The family rushed to take Arif to the hospital and tragically in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives and Arif falls into coma. Rejected by their in-laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and the children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Araf's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation of their struggle to reunite their fractured family. Number 8. Bashka Birgun, a Turkish remake of the British series Keeping Faith. The series tells the story of Nehir, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 7. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili, with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 6. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Deha. Devran, a mathematical prodigy, has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis. He plans to go to the US with his childhood love Esme after getting a university scholarship. However, the only person Devran wants to impress with this success is his father Iskandar, who abandoned his family years ago. While protecting his family from Iskandar, Devran struggled to stop his younger brother Buran from getting involved with their father, who already has plans for Buran. Devran's plans have to change after Buran enters Iskandar's world. Number 4. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nuh learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans. regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Noor, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sibilai. Number 3. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems. Paying for his mistake with his life, left homeless and alone, Leela swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leela returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 2. Bir Keja Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Khurshid Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Khurshid, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Khurshid, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Khurshid's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of an event filled with unexpected twists. Number 1. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.